Hi, I'm Destiny Adams and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And on this channel we talk about topics such as business, entrepreneurship, and side hustles. And in today's video we're going to be talking about how to form your LLC in any state. Because I know in the past I've talked about getting an LLC in the state of Michigan, and my channel has grown tremendously since then. So right now I'm going to talk about how to get an LLC in any state. But first, let's go over why do you want to get an LLC. So the first reason will be to separate your business expenses from your personal expenses. And you want to do that because with an LLC, it's going to protect you just in case you get sued. So in order to protect your personal funds, you need to have your business funds and your personal funds separated completely. And once you open this business bank account with your LLC, you're going to need to make sure you're not commingling those funds. The second reason that you want to get an LLC is because you want to be able to apply for business funding. So that could be setting up your business credit. If you want to get an actual loan in your business name, you want to get a car in your business name, whatever you want to do with your business name, you want to make sure you have that LLC set up so it is in the business's name and not your personal name. And then the third reason you want to get an LLC is for that legal liability. Like how we said you want to separate your funds, but the main reason is because you want to make sure that if something does happen, your LLC is liable and not you. And then you also want to be able to file your taxes under your LLC and not your personal name. But let's head over to IncFile so I can show you how to get an LLC in any state. Here we have IncFile.com pulled up, and if you want the direct link, you can click the link in the description. So we're just going to go over the home page before we get right into setting up your LLC. As you can see, it says fast, free, award-winning company formation. Go ahead and start your business. Join over 1 million business owners with IncFile since 2004. So this is their home page. Beyond LLC filing. Now let's click the services. So as you can see, the different things that they offer is form an LLC, form a C Corp, S Corp, form a nonprofit. Other services they have is company name change, register agent, virtual address, EIN, certificate of good standing. And you guys can go through and look at all of this, but for this demonstration, we're going to do form an LLC. And they said that's the most popular choice for business owners. So form your LLC and kickstart your dream business with IncFile. Easy, stress-free, and personalized business formation for clever people with big ideas. Form your LLC for free. Now, even though it says form your LLC for free, you are going to have to pay your state fees. So let's go ahead and get started. So our entity type, we're going to do an LLC. The state we're going to use for this demonstration, I'm going to use Texas since that's currently where I'm located. And so you'll just go through and choose your state. Okay, now it has the different packages that you can use. So for Texas, the package fee is $0 and the state fee is $300. So that includes preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free register agent for a year, unlimited phone and email support. And that's just the basic package that you can get. And you can look up the different fees in your state to compare them to make sure you're getting the best value. In Texas, it is $300 to file with the state. Now, if you want more additional services, they have a gold package and a platinum package. So with the gold package, for an additional $199, you can get they're preparing and filing your articles of organization, unlimited name searches. Let's just skip down to what they have different than the free package. So we have the EIN, business tax number, the IRS form 2553, operating agreement, banking resolution, lifetime company alerts, online access dashboard, unlimited phone and email, business banking account, and business tax consultation. And then for an additional $299, they're giving you, let's see, it includes business contract templates, free next day filing, domain name and business email. They're also giving you, let's see what's different. Okay, so it must just be these three things that you're getting an additional. But for this demonstration, we're going to go ahead and go with the free option that just includes our state fee. So get the silver package. And we're going to go ahead, put in our information. Now, the state filing time. So it says a typical state filing time for Texas is 4 weeks. Are you in a hurry? Texas offers an expedited filing option as well. Select filing times that best matches your needs. So we can do the regular filing time, which is free, or you can do it for $50 and they'll have it processed by June 26th. For this option, of course, we're going with free. Now we're going to go with our LLC name, which I'm going to call this business Destiny's Home Group. And we are going to be just a LLC. Okay, we're going to do it that way. Select the number of members. We have 1. Business purpose. So I did the purpose of this business is to provide support to individuals looking to start their business. So we're going to be in consulting. Let's see what all they have. Business startup consulting services. Okay, now we also have the option for a virtual mailing address. So they have the professional business address and virtual mail service. And it's giving this address in Houston that they're going to use. Well, this will be the address that I'll put on my information. So they have 17350 State Highway 249, Suite 220, Houston, Texas. And I can use this service for an additional $29 per month. So it says maintain privacy by using a commercial address, unlimited scan, incoming mail, a physical address for your business, not a P.O. box, installers with 24/7 access to your mail online. So the reason you want to have a virtual address is so people don't have access to your personal information, because when you get an LLC, that information is made public. But for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm just going to go ahead and click the free option so we can go ahead and just quickly go through it. But with clicking this use my own address option, it is going to list my personal address publicly. Please provide the address you want listed for your company. So for mine, I just put in a fake address, but you will put your real information based on the address that you chose. Okay, now they're giving us the option to upgrade our service. So they're going to offer the EIN for free, operating agreement for free, banking resolution for free, and business contract templates for free. And we are, okay, it says upgrade for only $99. And this is the $295 package. And we're just going to skip this opportunity and proceed forward. But I do suggest that you do look at these options to see what works for your business, because I know some people do need an operating agreement. You might need your, with your EIN and tax ID number. I do have a video on my channel showing you how to get that for free. But if you need different business contract templates, you might want to look at those, because it says 25 plus high quality legal documents. But we're going to go ahead and say, no thanks, I'll pass on this opportunity. Now, please provide members' information for Destiny Adams Group. So the member information I'm going to choose is myself, and I'm going to use that same address that I put in, and I'm 100% the owner. So we're going to go ahead and select next. Now, if you have more members, then you'll go ahead and enter those members. Now, would you like a registered agent? So Texas requires an LLC to appoint a registered agent. Only IncFile offers 1 full year registered agent service for free with every new business formation order for a value of $119 per year. Typical documents received by the registered agent can include service of process, notification of pending lawsuits or court orders, state correspondence, annual reports or statements. Now this is going to be different for every state, so just take a look to see what your state requires, see if you need a registered agent or not. They are offering you this registered agent for free for 1 year, Or if you would like to act as your own registered agent, that's fine as well. Just make sure you know what you're getting into when it comes to acting as your own registered agent. So I'm going to select the individual and we're going to select next. As you can see, we're still at a total of $300. Would we like them to set up our EIN number? So at this time, we're not going to have them set up our EIN number, but things that you need your EIN number for is to establish your bank account in the name of your business, to properly pay and account for any wage and payroll for employees, and to file your federal tax returns. So we're going to go ahead and select next. Now, do we want to set up our banking? So they're offering a business account with Bank of America. And it says yes, that they can contact you or ask you later. So I'm just going to put ask me later because I'm going to pass on that. Now, how do we want our LLC delivered? So by default, your business formation documents will be uploaded to your client dashboard for instant access upon successful completion of your state filing. If you want just instant access, it's going to be an electronic delivery and that's going to be free. But if you want it mailed to you, that's going to be $25. Me, I'm going to have mine electronically uploaded and then I'll just print it out myself. But for those who like to have the physical copies, you want the official documents, go ahead and select the FedEx Express for an additional $25. Now, our tax strategy free consultation. So what you can do is this consultation can help you identify important tax deductions and provide insight into the IRS tax classification of your new business. The offer is completely free of charge and does not obligate you into any way. So what you'll learn is how your LLC is taxed, how to choose the proper IRS tax selection, commonly missed tax deductions, business bookkeeping requirements, how to reduce the chance of an IRS audit, how to reduce self-employment taxes. So I am actually going to select the option to get the free tax consultation because that is offered free. So we're going to go ahead and select next. Businesses and licenses. It says we've identified 2 licenses for your consulting business in Texas. As a business owner, you are responsible for making sure your business has proper federal, state, and local licenses and permit to operate legally. To make sure, we've assembled a licensing specialist team to conduct the research to determine the licenses, permits, tax registration applications required for your business on the federal, state, county, and municipal level. So what you can do with this is you can do the research yourself and figure out what licenses you need, or you can just have them do it. But for my business, since I already know how to do that, I'm going to select no thanks. I'll work on it myself. But if you don't know how to do that, that will be a good option for you to select to make sure that your business is covered. To make sure that your business is covered from the legal aspects of things. Now it's just going to do a review order for Destiny Adams Home Group LLC. Has our state, Texas, entity type LLC, our contact information. And don't worry, this is all fake information. So this is just to show you for the demonstration. It has our registered agent info, which I chose myself, our company info, member info, and we did choose the tax consultation. And as you can see, we are 85% done with this and we're still at the $300 mark. Now we're going to go ahead and select next. Now at this time, they're asking to put our credit card information and then complete and pay, and then we'll be moving over with the process and they're going to form our LLC for us. We did choose the free option, so that's going to have it completed within 4 weeks. Like I said, each state is different. So as you can see, this was very simple to complete. If you need additional help, you can contact this 1844 number where they'll walk you through it step by step. But I feel like this explanation was very thorough and showed you how to get straight through it so you can get your LLC. And this is for any state. Don't forget to do your due diligence and look up how much the fees are in your city and state to make sure you're getting the correct amount. Because as I know with Texas, I do know the filing fee is $300. And as you can see on here, it's $300 as well. So you're not getting charged any fees. Thank you so much for watching this video today, and if you have any questions, comments, concerns, drop them in the comment section below. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media channels, which is I am Destiny Adams on pretty much everything. If you need any one-on-one help with your business, any business plans, or you need to set up a new LLC, you can go ahead and sign up with me on IamDestinyAdams.com. And don't forget to stay tuned for the next video. Peace.